family. And this is my granddaughter, Shailene.
Hi.
We're here today to show you how to make stuffing. I like to use the herb seasoned stuffing, and I don't like to use the cubed one. I like to use the crumbs. So just use whatever your preference is. The items needed are celery, which, by the way, Shailene has been eating all my celery. The other items that you need besides the celery is the onion. And I like to use organic celery, organic onion, and organic garlic, which I like to grow these as well, but because of the season, I'm not able to show you the ones that are fresh out of my garden. And also, you will need butter and some water.
I prefer you use lamb legs. They're good.
Just in case you're wondering what we are wearing aprons. She's wearing
for Christmas.
For Thanksgiving.
Because these dishes, by the way, go check out the other dishes videos for Thanksgiving or Christmas. So she's wearing Christmas apron. I'm wearing Thanksgiving because the meals are for either one.
For either one of the holidays or any holiday that you prefer, but we just thought we'd make it a little bit of fun. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give us a thumbs up. And somebody likes to put their hand in the cookie jar. As you can see, most of the celery that I had already cut is gone because I have a little munchkin here known as Shailene. The little munchkin, Shailene, likes to eat my celery.
Well, I normally don't like it, but the organic one is good. So get the organic one. If you don't want a munchkin, then probably don't get it.
And the reason that I am cutting up celery is I like to add this to the stuffing. Now you cut your garlic cloves. I use probably about 3 of them. Peel them. Peel off the skin. And put your garlic clove in your masher. Sometimes you can put 2 depending on the size, but mash it. And now you add your minced garlic into your celery and then mix it. And after you get the garlic clove, just peel this right on out so that you can put on your next garlic clove. So you may put your garlic cloves. I put 3 in there, and I like to mix them together. You can use more garlic if you'd like, or less. That's up to you. Next, you will cut your onion. And cut as much or as little of onion as you'd like. And these are all going to go in your dish. Once you cut your onion, then you're going to go ahead and put it in the mixture as well. This is all going into your stuffing. Now that you've chopped your onion, which it turns out to be about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup. Again, you're more than welcome to put less or more depending on what your preference is. One thing that you can add are fresh organic cranberries. I usually put them in my magic bullet to cut them into smaller pieces and just start cutting up. Now that you've chopped up your cranberries, add them to the mixture. This is not necessary. You can just make your stuffing without adding anything to it. However, this will just give it a nice flavor. And of course, you're going to get the juices from the actual turkey because you're going to stuff the turkey.
We have, she likes to put in 2 cups of chicken broth, or 2.5 cups, because you don't want it to be too dry. And this is 2.5 cups, so I already put 1 cup in here. You just gently pour it and have the stove on.
Also, another thing is that since we're adding all the other ingredients, it's good to add a little bit more broth. But if you don't want to use chicken broth, actually I like to use organic one, but if you don't like to, you can just add water. But this is just tastier. Now that your chicken broth has come to a boil, add 4 tablespoons of butter and mix it in until it melts. Once it has melted, cook it on medium to high. Add your celery mixture.
I can't munch on it anymore because it's coming in this. But as soon as you put it on your medium to high, let it sit and boil for a while. Then put your mixture in there. Like, twist it around. And as my grandma is spinning it, I will be adding the mixture inside. So you just gotta mix it for a while, but we already did. So then you're gonna add your herbs. Well, you don't have to put it in this one, but I prefer having the herb seasonal, the classic stuffing. Now pour it in here, just like last time. Pour all of it in there. But then, since it's covering up some of the mixture, you gotta mix it up. It is laying in the water. Well, it's the broth or the chicken broth. It is a liquid, so the stuffing will turn more moist, and it will start turning into a stuffing mixture like oatmeal or something.
Look at how delicious this looks. If you don't want to stuff your turkey, then you can just simply use this as a dressing versus the stuffing part of it.
Delish.
Make sure you turn the stove back to off, because otherwise, if you do not do that, this will quickly burn. We have now completed this beautiful dish, which you can use now as a dressing. But since we are doing it as a stuffing to stuff the turkey, then we're going to go on to the next step.
I finally found something to munch on, butter.
Now, before you put all the spices, if you're going to stuff your turkey, make sure that you clean the inside. Add your stuffing. This looks so delicious.
Goodbye, celery.
Shailene loves celery.
Well, the organic kind.
The organic celery. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my other videos on cooking your nice meal. Now that you have filled the cavity with the stuffing, make sure you don't put too much, or because it will expand while it's cooking. Seal it like this and add kitchen twine to keep it in place. Then this other cavity on the back of the neck can be filled with some more of your homemade stuffing.
This is melted butter.
Now that you have filled the cavity, again leave some more room to expand and tuck it all in. And now what I've done is I put some more twine, some more of this kitchen twine, to seal this under the wing and right on the back of the neck. And it's a beautiful big turkey. So don't forget to remove the stuffing. Thank you so much for watching our video. Now you have this nice home-cooked turkey. Shailene has her own turkey over there. But this is a nice, beautiful turkey that you can surprise everyone, because now you know how to bake a turkey.
The best kind.
And you have your homemade stuffing.
The best kind.
The best kind and the most moist, with your natural gravy.
And again, the best kind.
Whether it's it's giblet or natural gravy, they are all delicious. Hope you enjoy your meal with your family, with your loved ones, and hope to hear from you soon. So watch our next video. Thank you again, and have a blessed day.
Make sure you like and subscribe
to our channel. Thanks again.
Bye.
Bye.